that you can read about to understand what it is all about. And for the ones who want to start late, yes, I've segregated the book into what do you do when at 30s you want to start taking care of your skin, what do you do at 40s if you want to start taking care of your skin. All that is explained. Apart from all of this, in today's market is such a cluttered market. There is a product dime a dozen everywhere, all price ranges, every company. Then how do you choose your right product? And once you choose your product, how do you start using it? What is the right way? Simple things like what's the direction that you need to run your fingers if you have to use an under eye skincare. That can make a lot of difference. So this particular book is gender inclusive, so there's a lot of tips for men, there's a lot of tips for women, children, teenagers, adults likewise. So basically this book is all about having a beautiful skin. What could you do to keep your skin going beautiful? And it has some really expert tips from some of my friends in the industry like Pooja Makhija, who's written on skincare, Dr. Chabria, who's written about how should your mind be beautiful and therefore it reflects the glow onto the skin, and so on and so forth. So it's an all-encompassing book for you to stay beautiful.
Good evening, everyone. Such a pleasure to be here today to launch Age Erase. I've known Dr. Rashmi for a really long time, and I have to say that I know that your book is all about the skin, but the one thing I've learned most from her is that true beauty is really radiated from within, and she's had the best advice, not just on what cream to use or how to take care of my hair, but also how to just carry on being a cool girl. And I think that makes me feel much more beautiful. It's a wholesome package when you go to visit Dr. Rashmi. And I hope that this book helps people as much as all of her wonderful advice has helped me. So all the very best.
I don't know what I'm doing here actually, because it's about pretty looking people on this stage, but I want to say that, once I went to Dr. Rashmi Shetty with my sister, and she told me this cream, you should use this, and I'm so bad at it. I swear I'm really bad. And then one day after 3 months or 6 months of knowing her, I called her, I said, Dr. Shetty, I need to see you, I'm paranoid. I reached and I sat with her for 5 minutes and she said, you don't need anything, it's just your head. That's what I liked about her, that it's not just, just because you reached a cosmetic doctor, you have to, you need to take a cream or you need to do this. She just, makes you feel good, and that's what I think is most important. And obviously, your moisturizing cream, which I've started taking, I promise. I've started using, so yeah, that's Dr. Rashmi Shetty for me. Just be cool, as Shruti said, and yeah, feel good.
Shruti and Jackie rightly have been saying, I don't put a special effort. I guess we just connect, and the only people who remain sticking to me is the people that I connect with. So to me, all my patients are an extension of me and my zone of happiness. So it's just that, I don't do any special effort. I just put the best of science that I've known, and then there is a human touch to it. So I guess.
So go to Rashmi Shetty if you want to be kissed. So you can look good. And I want to pass a comment on the ghee rice thing, that my parents also told me that, and the result was I became 135 kilos.
It really took me almost 9 months, I guess, to write this, which I didn't think from the time we conceived the idea to bring it to writing, many levels of editing, many levels of thinking, should I put this, should I put that, and then, whole lot of designing the cover, which I should completely thank Sai Divi, who designed the entire cover for me. So with all of this, and ultimately the book coming here today on stands, a whole lot of PR support, all my celebrity patients who've been tweeting since morning. It's been a journey, and as I said, it's just like a mom having a baby. This feels like my baby, and I'm happy. And I'll take a minute off to present this, the first copy, to the most beautiful woman in my life, my daughter Upasana Shetty. बाकी सब स्किन केयर के बारे में भी है, आपको एक्ने हो, हेयर फॉल हो, स्किन ग्लो चाहिए, हर एक चीज़ के बारे में इसमें लिखा है, और बहुत सरल तरीके से लिखा है। घर के किचन के नुस्खे से लेके एकदम साइंस का एडवांस जो आप डॉक्टर के पास जाके कर सकते हैं वो भी है, और आप एटलीस्ट एक प्रोडक्ट लेना चाहते हैं तो इतना सारा प्रोडक्ट्स है स्किन केयर, आप क्या लेना चाहिए वो भी आपको इसमें बहुत अच्छे से समझा दिया गया।
जी बिल्कुल, मैं काफ़ी दिनों से डॉक्टर रश्मि के पास जा रही हूँ अपने स्किन के ग्लो, हेयर की हेल्थ और जनरल रेडियंस के लिए। एंड मुझे एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगी, इनका पहला तो ये आप इनकी क्लिनिक में जाते तो ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या उसको ठीक करना है। बहुत ही होलसम और पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट रहता है। एंड वो मुझे दूसरे क्लाइंट्स के बारे में पता नहीं, बट वो हमेशा आपके जो स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं वो हाईलाइट करते हैं एंड नॉन इन्वेसिव तरीके से काम करते हैं टू हाईलाइट जो आपके पास नेचुरली है। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि डॉक्टर रश्मि ने इतना अमेजिंग एक बुक लिखा है, एंड आई रियली होप कि आप सब पढ़ें और इनके अमेजिंग टिप से अपना लाइफ भी चेंज। गब्बर वेलकम बैक एंड यारा। गब्बर ख़त्म हो गया है नेक्स्ट ईयर, सारी रिलीजेस नेक्स्ट ईयर। हम सब बहुत खुश हैं घर पे, और बाकी सवाल आप उनसे पूछिए।
आई थिंक श्रुति और डॉक्टर रश्मि से कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, थैंक यू सो मच। और ये है कि जैसे हम पहले सोचते थे कि ब्यूटीफुल खाली लड़की होती है, बट आजकल लड़के भी अपना ध्यान रखते हैं। और ध्यान रखने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि पेंट लगा रहे हैं, नेल पॉलिश लगा के घूम रहे हैं, बट अपना ध्यान रखना। और ध्यान रखना अच्छी बात होती है कि आप स्किन का ध्यान रखें, फील गुड करें, अच्छा खाना खाएं, और जस्ट बी हैप्पी। मैं अच्छा खाना खाता हूँ, हेल्दी खाना खाता हूँ, इसलिए ठीक ठाक फिट रह पाता हूँ और फील गुड करता हूँ। और कभी कभार मन करे तो चीट भी कर लेता हूँ संडे को।